Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to bring you a very interesting Chainlink update. Okay, very interesting piece of news that I'd like to delve into in regards to Chainlink improving its blockchain. And at the end of this video, I will talk about the technicals and where I think Chainlink is going. So make sure to stick around to the end if you want to hear my thoughts on what I think is happening with Chainlink's price action. So, guys, to delve into this news story. So kind of an interesting development happening with Chainlink here. Chainlink just got better. So for those who don't really know, Chainlink, according to this article, they say, Chainlink is essentially building a new layer of functionality on top of Ethereum, making smart contracts smarter by bringing off-chain data inside smart contracts. So that's essentially what Chainlink does. It's the thing that connects data into the smart contract ecosystem. And that might not sound so exciting at face value, but it's actually massive, guys, because it's a thing that will allow the interaction between everything. Chainlink is the connector between all blockchains, allowing any and all new information to come into smart contracts, essentially making their use case almost nearly endless. So something like Chainlink, I think it's going to do amazing long term. At the end of the video, like I said, I'll talk about the technicals as well, guys. If you like the sound of this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. It really does help out the channel. We appreciate it, and you get to stay up to date with time-sensitive technical analysis and cryptocurrency news. So, guys, to delve into what this news article is about. So, basically, the Chainlink developers are looking to aggregate off-chain data, making it cheaper to use Chainlink and make it easier to use more data sources. So essentially, what this article is saying is that the Chainlink developers are moving, they're looking into aggregating data off chain. So instead of all nodes having to process data, only one node will have to process data, and it gets shared to the other nodes. So another aim of Chainlink is that they're also aiming to aggregate data from multiple oracles and combine them into one transaction, making the Ethereum gas fees cheaper. So, guys, the point is, the Chainlink developers are aiming to improve Chainlink. Okay, it's great to see development happening on Chainlink. Chainlink is already a massive player in the space. It's one of my favorite altcoins, and the fact that they're already improving on their blockchain, making it better, is just great to see, guys. Okay, I'll leave a link down in the description to this article so you can check that out for yourselves. Now, moving on to the technicals and the price action and where I think Chainlink could go long term. Let's delve into this. So, currently looking at the daily here, we are within this broadening channel, in my opinion. Okay, we're struggling to break above the 20 EMA here on the daily. As we can see here, it seems like a lot of volume is aggregated in these regions. So this is a very, very, very critical region for Chainlink. It's good to see that we found support on the 100 EMA. So basically, guys, price is very indeterminate right now. We're pretty much range bound between the 100 EMA here at the $11.90 and the 20 EMA at the $12.90. So until we see a breakout, either above or below those ranges, we really don't know where we're going, because we're just really trapped between our EMAs right now. Now, interestingly, we are above the walls of this channel. So if that can hold, that is good news, guys. So let's see here. Moving on to the 4-hour. 4-hour kind of tells the same story. So the 4-hour is finding support on the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA, but we are above, our EMAs are, the 100 and 200 EMA is above the price action, which is not good. That's pretty bearish, actually. In fact, looking at the 4-hour here, the MACD histogram taken down, RSI making lower highs, lower lows. Actually, well, it's just making one low. We still don't know if we made a low yet. So on the 4-hour, we're starting to see signs that we could definitely break down, although it's very indeterminate because the RSI MACD could still have some room to go up. Let's look at the 1-hour here. So the 1-hour tells a similar story where we still have some room to go down. So what I'm thinking is we may fall back down to retest perhaps the 100 EMA, something like that. Maybe fall down to the 1240. I am seeing some signs of weakness here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we had a little bit more to go down here. Now, if we do indeed fall back down and find support on one of our EMAs on these larger time frames, that's a good thing. So what we could do here, yeah, it would make sense that maybe the $12.40 range we could fall back down to. That would make sense in my opinion. Fall back to one of our EMAs here because we do see signs of weakness. Now, moving on, long term, guys. You know, like I just mentioned, Chainlink's, you know, functionality is what makes it so compelling. It's the thing that connects everything. And so long term, I would not be the least bit surprised if Chainlink reached at the peak of this bull run a price in the hundreds of dollars, maybe even $1,000. I would not be the least bit surprised because, guys, Chainlink is the thing that makes smart contracts smart. Okay, and there are other oracles out there. There's you know, Bidao. There's other oracles. API 3 is now a new oracle that's very popular. But bottom line is, Chainlink is the brand name, guys. It's the Coca-Cola of decentralized oracles. Okay, so you know, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but I think Chainlink's going to stick around. It doesn't mean that others can't succeed. Others will very likely succeed, but I think Chainlink will also succeed long term. So like I said, I would not be the least surprised, guys. You know, I was watching Token Metrics the other day, and they mentioned, oh, I hope I get this right. It was either Chainlink or Ethereum. Please correct me down in the comments below if you know the right answer. Has a smaller market cap than Snapchat, which is insane because they're obviously worth a lot more than that. You know, these smart contracts are bringing the internet of money. They're creating the internet of money with you know, with the Americans constantly printing trillions of dollars, likely to continue doing so, devaluing their currency and lessening the buying power of people. It's almost a liability. It is a liability to hold fiat, in my opinion. And so, you know, these coins that aim to improve the functionality of the smart contract ecosystem, like Chainlink, I believe, do have a future in this space as well, guys. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here, but before I do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. If you can help us out, really appreciate it. And again, you get to stay up to date with time-sensitive cryptocurrency news and technical analysis as well, guys. Ledger. If you guys are interested in buying a Ledger, it's one of the safest ways to store your crypto. They're currently doing a $25 voucher, so link for that down in the description below. As well, Token Metrics, guys. What Token Metrics is, it's an AI-fueled price predictions and portfolio suggestions platform. I've used Token Metrics in the past to trade successfully. One of my best trades ever was a 40% ROI trade on BAN, and it was because of Token Metrics. So check out Token Metrics, link down in the description below. As well, guys, Celsius, you can earn crazy interest rates on your crypto. There's like you can earn like over 16% on like SNX and Matic using the Celsius staking. So link for that down in the description below. You also get $20 in Bitcoin. So check that out. As well, if you want to trade these markets, I always recommend Bybit. Bybit is my favorite exchange. It's so intuitive to use, but be very careful with leverage trading, guys. It can be risky. And as well, gold-backed crypto, y'all. GSX. If you guys are interested in the idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency, GSX, there's this brand new cryptocurrency that hasn't even been released to exchanges yet. There's a 5% sign-up bonus to this thing down in the description below, and I get a kickback. Now, to explain what this is, GSX is made by Apollo Fintech. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. Half of the profits from these gold mines will go to backing the crypto itself. They're currently offering a 27% sign-up bonus. They're selling it for 10 cents. They're working on a Binance listing. This is their timeline, okay? I'll leave a link down in the description below to their website, their white paper, and a video where I delve in depth the pros and cons with this thing, so check that out before investing. They also pay yearly dividends, and they will be doing a token burn. Guys, there's risk when it comes to investing in anything new. This fell into my personal risk tolerances. I found this compelling enough for myself, but only you can decide what's best for yourself. Again, please practice risk management, portfolio diversification, and understand your own risk tolerances. And again, if you do your research and you like this thing, 5% sign-up bonus down in the description below, and I get a kickback from that, so it's kind of like a sponsorship. And also, guys, do not forget to follow our Twitter and our Discord. If anything interesting happens with, you know, vechain, Chainlink, Ethereum, any of these top coins that we're all interested in, we definitely talk about it on our Discord first. So do not forget to check those out. Link down in the description below. That is it for now, y'all. Take care.